In this video, I'll be showing you how to set DNS servers on Mac. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, changing your DNS servers on Mac can significantly boost internet speeds, improve security, or bypass network level loading restrictions. So swapping your default internet service provider settings for a high performance configuration, like Cloudflare or Google, takes under 45 seconds. So what you want to do is click on the Apple logo on the top left of your screen, and you're going to see a lot of different things here. And all you want to do is go over to layout. So once you're in system settings, once you're in this layout, go over to network, which is the third option down. Select your active connection and just go over, I'm on Wi-Fi right now. And then from here, all I want to go ahead and do is on the right of it, on whatever I'm connected to, go ahead and find details. Now, once you're in details, all I want to do is click the details button utility. And then on the left, I'm going to see a lot of different options, but go ahead and click on DNS. Now, once you're in DNS, all you want to do is press the little plus icon, which is going to be right here. And then at this point, I'm going to be able to add a custom DNS. So I can do something like 1.1.1.1, which is going to be Cloudflare. And then all I'm going to do is click the plus again, and that's going to allow me to add something else as well. Once I'm happy with whatever DNS server I got, go ahead and press OK, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out other tutorials as well.